Hello, this is Jose from ADTECHNO. We're here at InfoComm 2026. I'm going to introduce our new product. We just launched this here. We're introducing this to the market. This is actually really cool. It's an extension system. We're calling it 4K120 video for HDMI. We also have USB 3.2, but the really cool thing about it is that everything travels to a serial signal over CAT5e cable. Because it has DP alt mode, it's going to give you really good, smooth transmission for your web cameras. So we're thinking this is going to be really good for hybrid meetings, AV collaboration environments. We also have super ultra low latency, so around 7.58 milliseconds. If you have like esports applications, you could probably use them as well. We are still developing the product, so the final item might look a little bit different, but we are pushing to try to ship as soon as possible. You have an extension length of top 100 meters, which is actually huge. This is getting a lot of traction. People are really interested in it. So if you want to learn more, again, please come and visit www.adtechno.com.